Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 5 divided 5 divided 5 divided 5. So are you ready to solve? So let's go ahead and let's start it according to the order of operation. So we are moving from left to right. So 5, this divide, we are going to use KCF rule where K stands for keep. So we will keep the left digit. C, change of symbol. So change the symbol of division to multiplication, and F stands for flip. Flip the right digit. So it's become 1 by 5. Rest I will write the same. So it will cancel out. This give us 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. Again, we'll take two digits at a time and apply the KCF rule. So 1, keep, change the symbol and flip it. Now divided by 5. So this becomes 1 by 5 divided by 5. Now again, keep it, change the symbol and flip it. So this gives us 1 by 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.